shingle off of June and Jack Fletcher's roof. We don't have a whole lot of time, so we're gonna try and finish it real quick. The shingle off has got a damaged tab. I try to find something more obvious. Seal these. Honestly, we could stop there. I've broken these tabs. They came loose just lifting the shingle up this far. I'll go ahead and take one off of the roof because that's what we were told to come here and do. But honestly, I would stop right here purely on a repair attempt video. Because, I mean, we just broke this tab too. I mean, they're just all breaking. Quick. Right here. We weren't thrilled about coming and doing this in the rain. It's the only day we had to do this. You know, typically just, well, you can tell the nail like that. Have a whole lot of time to just come take shingles off right now. So. Personally, I'm not thrilled with how this is going so far. On a retail bid, I would tell the customer that I wouldn't be able to make the repair, and that I would have to recommend replacing adjacent shingles. They're usually pretty understanding about. Got a nail somewhere. Owens Corning. Do not remove, no guitar. So, I'm gonna, just in the sake of trying not to cause a leak, put this here, but as you can tell, it's too long by maybe, I don't know, a couple millimeters. It's not going to fit without trimming it. Try to do that real quick. Cut off the hair on this shingle. This side. And now I'm going to do this side. Better. You're not supposed to trim shingles in the field, so for an actual repair, I wouldn't be able to do this repair up the code, but I didn't bring any ice and water with me, which is what I would want to use to fill that gap. We'll do this as a temporary solution. fitting or no? Does that need to come off?
Yeah, it's still a little over.
I hate doing this in the rain.
Yeah.
As you can probably guess, this is why it's not up to code to trim shingles in the field. It's too hard to do it in a uniform way. There we go. Got it. Instead of taking 2 off like we had originally said, because it's going to start here any second, pouring down rain again. We can do go ahead and put 4, 5 nails. Each one. Hurry up and get down before we make a hard choice. That broke. Doesn't leak. I'm not convinced it won't. So this nail actually broke the shingle just sitting there. Every tab came up. On both shingles. And they didn't particularly care to have the nails pulled out of them at all. This shingle tore while doing it. All right, we'll take some photos and then get this video to you. But I personally don't know how good of a decision even doing this was today. So we're gonna hopefully find some sealant in the truck, put some on there, call it quits. We'll leave the shingle for you though.